One wrong move means a face full of barbed quills. It pivots, reversing its heavy body toward the cub. It is a clear, unmistakable command. Keep your distance or pay the price. A cautious paw reaches out to touch the white spines. The porcupine lashes out with a sudden, violent thrash. A high-pitched scream echoes across the silent plain. Their mother is instantly in full, golden stride. She stands between her young and the thorned beast. To her, this is a puzzle made of daggers. She probes the armor with a hesitant, testing paw. The quills rattle together, a dry and deadly warning. One sharp barb is embedded deep in her sensitive muzzle. The porcupine attempts a slow, awkward, shuffling retreat. The cheetah follows, her hunger now turning into fury. For a solitary hunter, a festering wound is a death sentence. If she fails here, her lineage dies with her. The tension in the air is almost palpable now. She waits for the perfect, most agonizing moment to strike. The porcupine remains perfectly still, a mound of defensive spikes. She stops, the hunt momentarily suspended by sharp agony. The first lesson of the porcupine is written in blood. Pain is the necessary currency for this predator's education. The rhythm of the hunt changes to something more calculated. She pounces again, attempting to pin the thrashing beast down. She seeks the soft, unprotected side, but the porcupine spins, offering only a wall of barbs. More spears find their mark in her golden spotted fur. She retreats once more, shaking her head to clear the fire. She sits back, performing grim surgery on herself once again. The mounting pain is nearly overwhelming her maternal resolve. She charges again, faster this time, with a desperate roar. The porcupine meets her with a renewed shower of needles. A sudden, violent snap of her powerful jaws. She bites into the neck, ignoring the stabs to her face. The porcupine thrashes, driving barbs deeper into her skin. She does not let go, no matter the cost. She recoils in shock. The pain radiating through her nervous system like fire. A grim mechanical instinct takes over. The mother is riddled with quills, her body a map of pain from every desperate lunge. Now she must endure the agony of extraction. Shaking her frame, she uses her jaw to wrench the barbs free, preparing for one final bloodied assault. The battle is now a test of sheer, raw will. Exhaustion and searing pain are her only remaining companions. The living fortress finally collapses into the red dust. One last shudder and the long fight is finally over. She drops the heavy, spiny prize onto the earth. Her cubs approach the fallen warrior with quiet awe. The predator is safe, but the price of victory is high. She returns to her task, plucking the remaining daggers, her spirit tested by the thorns. In this world, every meal has its hidden price. Strength is not found only in the final kill. It is found in the endurance of the painful aftermath.